And next in our studio, we have a guest who will tell us how he uses music and song to get special messages through to our kids. Well, someone who loves music uses it to educate school children. And Charlotte's got our guest in the studio.
He sings a very special message on his CDs and also live to students in schools. He's going to be appearing later up in Shafter at Maple School. Thank you for joining us. Tell us, though, the message that you're really trying to get across in the lyrics.
Well, I think music was so important to me because, if nothing else, it helped me to feel good about myself. Mm-hmm. And I found in my own experience that led me away from things like drugs and gangs and just my love for music. So I try to get that across to kids. I try to help them to feel good about themselves.
Positive self-image.
Right.
You said you have an 8-step message or program that you talk to kids about in schools. Tell us about that and some of those 8 steps.
I had the privilege of visiting and having thousands of kids in Kern County. The 8 steps to student success include have imagination, have a dream, the importance of studying, and the ideas are presented in a way that's fun for the kids.
Just positive messages continuously.
Yes.
Well, I think the best way to get a feel for what you do, and he will be appearing later on at Barnes & Noble, the new bookstore opening up, is just to listen to you. We're going to let you go to it with some music so we can hear. Thank you.
Okay. The song is called I Look Up to You.
Okay.
I know when you look at me, sometimes I may seem really tall. You've been proud of things that I've done, as you happily recall. But I must lift my eyes to see you're someone who's really on the ball. I'm so proud to know you. I don't feel so tall at all. I look up to you. If only I could do what you do. That's kind of the idea. It's just,
you're
a
wonderful.
child, but I look up to you.
You are wonderful with that voice. A cappella, to sing a cappella, believe me.
I appreciate that. I've heard him perform before, and he does a great job. And check out that CD. It's good. 6:52 is the time.